Hello student, today we are going to study the arbitrary fix-up procedure. In last lecture of arbitrary, I have taught you about the basic properties of the arbitrary and the rotation as left rotation and right rotation. I have taught you that in left rotation and right rotation are parts of the operations which are needed to maintain the arbitrary property when we perform any addition or deletion to the existing arbitrary. So, uh, when we insert any node into the arbitrary, by default initially it is considered to be of red color. Then when we insert any red node to the arbitrary, then at the inserted node may violate the properties of the arbitrary. That I have told you that in the arbitrary there should be no consecutive red nodes. So if there is a red node at the bottom, then if we insert another red node add to it, then in that situation it violates the basic property of arbitrary, that we are attaching two red nodes together. So this is the violation of the arbitrary properties, and this should not happen. If somebody is confused that the leaf node of the arbitrary are of black color, and if we are inserting a new node that is of red color, then how the property is being violated? So I make you clear that in the arbitrary the leaf node are considered to be black node, but by default at the end of each node we considered that they are connected to a node with nil values, and that node with nil value is of black color. We do not count that nil nodes while calculating the height of the tree, and we do not consider that node as a when we perform the procedure of insertion. So we do not show that nil node into the diagram, and we show that at the bottom there may be some red node also. And when we insert a red node and attach it to the existing red node, then when red comes adjacent to the red node, then in that situations arbitrary properties violates. So we perform the color fix-up procedures. So we need the fix-up procedure, that's called the arbitrary fix-up, because there should be no nodes which are of red color connected to each other directly. So there are different cases, and it is little bit confusing topic, and to make it clear I am not writing the algorithm first, because if I write the algorithm directly then it will be much more complicated to understand, for you to understand. So I am taking the reverse approach. I shall first give you example and explain you what you shall do to perform fix-up procedure, and after that explaining all the cases I shall write the algorithm, and I shall once again explain you the algorithmic approach to solve the fix-up procedure. So when we perform the insertion, there may be various cases. First of all, there are the terms that are used in arbitrary fix-up that you should be familiar with. So the terms that are the term that are used in arbitrary are, suppose this is a node, grandparent, parent, uncle, and Z. Here in this diagram, I have shown you that Z is the node that is being inserted, and by default it is considered to be of red color. In by default, whenever we insert a new node, it is considered to be of red color, and the node to which is being attached and the position at which it is being inserted is called the parent node, and the parent of the parent, the parent node is attached to the node is called the grandparent. definitely, like we address our relation in address our in daily life. This is the Z node, but we do not use the term sun here. This is the node that is being inserted. By default, it is of red color. The node to which it get attached is called the parent node, and the parent of the parent is called grandparent. And the node which is also the parent of the grandparent, or we is the but and is the sibling of the parent, is called the uncle. And the node that is the sibling of parent, or the node with the same parent of as the Z node's parent, is called the uncle of Z node. So this node will be called as the uncle, this node will be called as parent, and this node will be called grandparent. Parent is grandparent, parents sibling of parent is called uncle. So these are the obvious terms, and these will be used while explaining the different cases. First of all, insertion will be done in the same way that we insert any node into the our binary tree. We consider the sequence that at which place, suppose we compare the element, and we, depending upon if the node that is being inserted is less than the parent node, then it becomes the left child. If the value of the node that is being inserted is greater than the parent node, that becomes the right child. Okay, so insertion procedure is same as the binary tree procedure. I consider that this is, you are well familiar with this. If you are not, then I give you an example. Suppose there are numbers, आप देख लेना एक बार, विजुअल है, इज इट विजिबल? 50, 30, 80, 70 and 10. Suppose there are, so first node is 50. So suppose I have inserted 50, next node is 30, it is smaller than 50, so it would become the left child of this node. The next node is 80, it is greater than 50, so it would become the right child of 50. After that, the next node is 70, 70 is greater than 50 but smaller than 80, so it will become the left child of 80. Again, last 10 is smaller than 50 and smaller than 30, so it would become the left child of parent. So these are the simple procedure of inserting an element. But in binary tree, there was no color property associated with it. But in RB tree, there are two properties that are associated with the nodes. One is the pointer and another one is the color of the node. And especially the color, if we insert the new node, or that is obviously of red color, to an existing red node, then the color in this violates the property of the RB tree, and we need to run the procedure of fix up. So fix up is the procedure. I have given you the brief idea. The insertion procedure is same as the binary tree, and the terminology that will be used to explain these cases are the parent, grandparent and uncle. Now I am going to explain you about it. One second. So the cases can be divided into two categories. First of all, parent's position is considered. Parent position relative to grandparent. On first of all, we check out what is the position of the parent with respect to the grandparent. It may be left child of grandparent, or it may be right child of grandparent. Right child of grandparent. Okay, so first of all, we classify it into two categories depending upon the position of grandparent to the parent to the grandparent. One, one category is in which parent is the left child of the grandparent. The second category is in which the parent is the right child of grandparent. Again, in when parent is left child of grandparent, there are three cases. Case 1, case 2, case 3. And similarly, when parent is the right child of grandparent, there are three cases. Case 1, case 2, and case 3. So overall, there are 6 cases. There are 6 cases of arbitrary fixer. But do not get worried that there are so many cases, 6 cases. Basically, with a slight difference, these 3 cases can be very much compared to these 3 cases. So just try to understand first of 3 cases, and if you understand these 3 cases, similarly with a slight difference, you can apply those, you can also solve these 3 cases also. So we start with these 3 cases because these 3 cases are very much like these 3 cases, but with a slight difference. So if you get an idea of these 3 cases, you can easily perform the fix-up procedure in that 3 cases also. So these 3 cases are, first of all, when uncle is red. When uncle is red. Case 1 is applied when the uncle of newly inserted node Z is black. Where uncle color is Z. In case 2 and case 3, uncle is black. Uncle is black. In case 2, uncle is black, and in case 3, uncle is black. Uncle is black. Okay. In case 2, the inserted node Z is a right child. In case 2, node Z, that is the newly inserted node, is right child. Is right child. And in case 3, the newly inserted node Z is the left child. The node Z is left child of its parent. Of its parent. Right child of its parent. In case 2, case 1, uncle is red. In case 2, uncle is black. In case 3, uncle is black. But in case 2, the node Z is the right child of parent. In case 3, node Z is the left child of its parent. Right? So these are the 3 cases. And similarly, in these 3 cases also, in case 1, uncle is red. Uncle is red. In first case, first of all, we are identifying the case. We are not performing any fix-up procedure here. We are just identifying the case in when the parent is left child of grandparent and the uncle is of red color, then this case 1 will be applied. To make you clear, this is the case 1 dash. This is case 2 dash. This case is case 3 dash. So uncle when in case 1 dash also the uncle is of red color. In case 2 dash, uncle is black. Uncle is black. In case 3 dash also uncle is black. Okay, but there is a slight difference I have told you earlier. But in this case, node Z, case 2 is applied when node Z is left child, and in it the node Z is right child of its parent. The difference is, somebody may feel that just the second statement is different. In first category, the case 1, there is a difference. I am marking it with a double line. Okay, okay, yeah, this one, case 2, case 3, this is one, this is, okay. Here case 1, in both sides, when the uncle color is red, the case 1 is applied. Likewise, in case 1 dash, the uncle color is red. In case 2, in the first category, uncle is black, but the node is the right child. In case 2 dash, uncle is black, but the node Z is the left child. In case 3, uncle is black, but node Z is a left child of parents. But in case 3 dash, the uncle is black and node Z is the right child of its parent. First, you must identify in what category the fix-up is which category fix-up should be performed. Because if you mix all these, then definitely you will not get the right results. So we start with the first category when the parent is the left child of its grandparent, and we consider all these three cases. Okay, I have not explained you with this algorithm directly because this is a little bit complicated and you can understand it only after practicing, because it may create some sort of confusion in your mind because they are very much similar to each other, but the operations is very different from one another. Okay, so we start with the case 1 when parent is the left child of its grandparent and uncle is red. So I am rubbing this page, and after that I start with case 1, case 2, case 3. After that, case 1 dash, case 2 dash, and case 3 dash. Case 1, the case 1 of that is of first category when parent is the left child of its grandparent, parent is left child of grandparent, and uncle is of black color, red color. So I am marking the red node with R color, R, red color, and black node with B symbol. And this is the newly inserted node Z. So there may be two cases. Newly inserted node may be left child or right child. By default, newly inserted node is of red color. First, here you may check that this is the parent, Z is, this is the node Z. I colored with this symbol, Z node. This is the parent, this is uncle, this is grandparent. Okay, here in this case Z is the left child, and now in the second case both lies under the case 1, but there may be two situations when newly inserted node is the left child and when in right child and newly inserted node is the left child. In this situation, this one is the parent, this one is uncle, this is grandparent. Okay, this case 1 is the simplest one, simplest one. In this, what we do, we change the color of uncle and parent to become black, and we change the color of parent to be red. Okay, if the grandparent node is a root node, then in that case, as per arbitrary properties, that would be colored again into the black color. So what we change, we may mark it with, and we mark black color with, I am using a B symbol, and after that I am marking the lines to mark the black color. So after the operation, what we do, change the color of parent and uncle into black, and the red node Z will remain red. Okay, simply, and the grandparent would be colored into the red color, but here in this case, the grandparent is the root node, and root node should be of black color as per the properties of the arbitrary, so it would be colored again into the black color. So it would be again colored into the black color. So I mark it as black to red and again into the black. Okay, black to red and red to black. And in second case also, the parent would be colored in black color. And this will also be colored into black to red and red to black, since it is also a root node. So this is, in this case, this is uncle and parent. Okay, so when the uncle color is of red color, we convert them into the black color. We convert the color of grandparent to be red, but since here in the examples, the grandparent is the root node, so we colored it again into the color of black. So this will be the case 1. Clear? This is the simplest case, and in now I am going to the case 2. Case 2. In case 2, when the node is the right child of its parent and uncle is of black color. Suppose the uncle is of black color and newly inserted node is of right child. This one is Z. This is the right child, and parent is the in both cases parent is are the left child of its grandparent. Parent is the left child of its grandparent and uncle is of black color. So in this case, suppose this is a black color node, and in this situation, this is the node Z and this is the node Z, and there is no color change in this case 2. This is the simple case, and in this case, what we do, we perform left rotation. This is the right node. The inclination of the newly inserted node is rightward. In this situation, what we do, we perform left rotation between parents and Z. and after that we shift the z pointer to the parent. After this, this converts into like this, red, red. Okay, here this is a left rotation between parent and z. Okay, and after that, suppose this node is A and this is B. So after this, this will become B and this will become A, and Z will shift to the parent. So now this will become the Z pointer will shift to the parent. When, so I repeat it one again, when the parent is the left child of its grandparent and newly inserted node is the right child of its parent, of the parent, in that case we simply perform left rotation between parent and Z node, and in this case there is no color shift, though no color change, and we just shift the pointer Z which was at the newly inserted node, now it shifts to the parent nodes. So after the left rotation, it convert in this way. Here one point to remember is that after this case, what we whenever we run case 2, we definitely go into the case 3. Looking at the diagram, when we see that now Z is at this position, its parent is the left child of its grandparent and its uncle is of black color. And when it is left child, and this is the condition of case 3. So whenever we resolve the case 2, we definitely go into the case 3. So whenever case 2 comes, it's obvious that it will reach into the case 3. So this is the case 2 and it is very simple. We just perform a left rotation and after that we reach up to the case 3. So next, the case 3. What we do in case 3? I am just using the same diagram in case 3. What we do? Uncle is black. I am just writing the same diagram here, and in this the parent is the left child and the Z node is the left child of its parent and uncle is of black color. In this situation, there is a change that we change the color of parent to become black and color of grandparent changes to become red. This shift from black to red and this convert from red to black, and then we perform the right rotation between parent and grandparent. Then we perform the right rotation between parent and grandparent. So after this will become like, okay, ये आपका this will become red, ये black, perform operation between this, okay, and after that now suppose this node, I call this node as, I name this, suppose this node is S, this is T, this is Q, then and this one is X, then this become T, this one is S, this one is X, and this one is Q. So after this the S will become of red color, but T will become of black color, right? And this was of black color also. So in case right rotation between parent and grandparent, between S and T, between parent and grandparent, parent and grandparent. Okay. In this, the left rotation was performed between parent and Z. But in this case 3, the operation is right rotation is performed between parent and grandparent. So whenever we studied for the first time, it may be slightly appear to be slightly difficult, and yes, it is a little bit difficult. But after a practice, it will become very easy. And here I just give you a revision of all these 3 cases, because next 3 cases 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash are quite similar to this, and I shall move to these steps only after solving a numerical on basis of these 3 cases, and after that I shall take the example of case 1 dash 2 dash and 3 dash also. But to keep you to make it simple, I first, after solving, I shall give you revise this one again, and after solving an example with help of these, I shall switch to the case 1, case 1 dash 2 dash and 3 dash. So I give you a brief revision of all these 3 cases. In case 1, the uncle is red. In that case, we simply convert the color of uncle and parent to become black. The color of grandparent become red, and this is all about the case 1. But if grandparent is a root node, then it will remain black. In case 2 and 3, uncle is of black color. In case 2, the newly inserted node Z is a right child. In case 3, the new node is Z is the left child. Whenever we whenever we are in case 2, we simply perform left rotation between parent and Z node. And after this, we shift the Z pointer to the parent. Whenever we perform this operation, we move to the case 3. In case 3, the parent is the Z is the left child of its parent, and uncle is of black color. Then what we do, we simply change the color of parent to become black, and grandparent to change from black to red. And after that, we perform the right rotation between parent and grandparent. So this is all about the case 3. So I am stopping this lecture right now, and in the next lecture I shall take an example, and after solving that example I shall also explain you the case 1 dash 2 dash and 3 dash. Thank you.